has been over 100 years since the Titanic sank. On its very first voyage, this unsinkable ship hit an iceberg and went down in the Atlantic, a true tragedy. But have you ever wondered what the inside of this once largest and most luxurious ocean liner looked like? The Titanic was about 269 meters long and was famously called unsinkable. British media even described it as the Versailles of the sea. It's hard to imagine how people back then could build something so massive. Compared to it, many ships of that era looked like toys. Today, let's explore this incredible ship through a 3D view. Let's start with the top deck. The ship had 4 funnels, but only 3 actually released smoke. The 4th was added just for appearance to make the ship look more grand. These 2 tall masts supported radio antennas and flags. At the front was the crow's nest, where the lookout first spotted the iceberg. Near the bow, you can see 2 massive chains connected to the anchors. At the stern, the raised section is called the docking bridge, used to guide the ship into port. These electric cranes were used to load and unload heavy cargo. On both sides, there were about 20 lifeboats ready to be lowered in an emergency. The bridge was the ship's control center, where the crew controlled direction. Behind it were crew areas, including the captain's quarters, crew cabins, and a smoking room. There was also a wireless room where operators used Morse code to communicate with other ships. The gym was equipped with exercise machines for passengers. Below the waterline, the Titanic had 3 massive propellers powered by engines. The ship was steered using control wheels on the bridge and at the stern. In total, the Titanic had 10 decks labeled from A to J. The lowest 2 decks were filled with engines and machinery and were not open to passengers. Passenger areas were divided by class. First class, second class, and third class all had separate spaces. From another view, we can see the interior layout. As mentioned earlier, only 3 funnels were connected to the boilers. No matter the era, there was a huge gap between rich and poor. First-class passengers enjoyed 2 grand staircases and elevators. Second-class passengers had simpler stairways, far less luxurious. At the rear, third-class passengers used staircases near the engine rooms. They had to endure constant noise from the machinery. That's why they were sometimes called steerage passengers.